Hello, Honorable President of India, Madam Droupadi Murmu, the Election Commissioner of India. Please do not violate the Assam Land and Revenue Act 1948, 1964 up till 1984 Amendment Act. The verdict, Honorable Guwahati High Court 2019. There are so many illegal voters within the tribal belt and blocks area in Assam. We want solution before General MP election 2024 because the government received illegal votes from mentioned area concerned. The government Assam has no right to take any election which is generally illegal. There are no amendment act in Assam Assembly about the illegal voters. So the government of Assam is 100% illegal government. Do not do so. No make wrong. Modi ji, think big and concentrate to reach up to the top. We have political right to ask you the Lok Sabha election tribal belt blocks concerning constituency, especially stop Assam election. Request you to the Commissioner and Madam President of India especially. Thanks. बे गोजौआव बुंफोरथिंनायखौ जाय बिथांमोना नायगोन फरायगोन बिथांमोना बे बाथ्राफोरखौ साफा फारफा बिथ्रायनानै हर जाहाथे बयबो मोजाङै मिथिनो हायो। गोजोन्थों। जय बर' हारिनि जय।